Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to install VNSTAT if you want to monitor how much traffic is being used. So the first thing we need to do is do a sudo apt install VNSTAT. I already have it installed, so I'll throw some links in the description. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do a VNSTAT, but as you can see I don't have enough data yet. So we're going to do a VNSTAT space -tr. That'll run for 5 seconds. And as you can see, it'll show you how much I received and transmitted. And there's some other commands that you could do. Also, you can do a -h for an hour, which, like I said, I don't have enough data on here to show. You can do days, months, weeks. So I'll post all these links in the description, but yeah, pretty nice little thing. So not too bad. All right.